Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can rotate objects and shapes or elements in your canvas on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to this canvas here. Let me zoom in a bit. So I have, for example, a rectangle or a triangle or any other object. Let me go with the rectangle. And there are two ways how you can rotate objects. Option number one would be to left click into it. That is going to change these corners into these rounded arrows. So if you, for example, click into one of them, hold your left mouse and move your mouse, you will be able to rotate the given object like this by moving your mouse. That's one way. The other option would be to left click into your object and you will see these options here at the top. Let me just use the select tool first. So choose the select tool here, click into your object, and here at the top you will see these 90 degrees rotation buttons. So click into them and it is going to rotate your element, your selected element by 90 degrees. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.